we're waiting at the ferry building terminal so we can get on the electric cable car to take us down to Pier 39 so we can get on the sightseeing tour bus to take us around San Francisco. I've got my Starbucks, but it's hot. I've got a iced caramel macchiato. And what do you got? Because you have a complicated
regular
one.
That's a sugar-free soy.
Yeah, sugar-free soy caramel macchiato. Alright, so we've got something nice and refreshing, and we're waiting for the cable car to take us down to Pier 39. So we'll pick this up a little bit later. Hey guys, so as you can see right in front of you, this is the famous 7 painted ladies they've seen in the opening credits of Full House. I don't know who the actual house is, but this is what you saw in the credits for all 8 years it was on TV. And here, on the other side of where the houses are, this is the park where they were having a picnic and playing soccer at the beginning of the TV show. But yep, there it is, the Full House. Hey guys, so I think you can figure out where we are. We are in Haight-Ashbury, because this is Ashbury. Down here, all the way through here, this is Haight, and up there, through down there, is Ashbury. But here's a reproduction of the famous Haight-Ashbury, because we're on this side of the road. But over there, that is where the Haight-Ashbury sign is. The iconic thing of the 60s. So, yeah. I'm officially where I want to be. So let's explore Haight for a while.
Okay, let's go.
Ooh, that looks like a cool store.
Senti, beh, ci possiamo dire?
Oh, it's just so expensive.
Hey guys, so here we are at the Golden Gate Bridge. Unfortunately, the Golden Gate Bridge is a lot taller than I am, so you can't see me, but you can hear me. There's the Golden Gate Bridge, and I'm standing. Yeah, now you can see me and it in the same frame. So yeah, we're at the Golden Gate Bridge, and it's the Golden Gate Bridge. Not much I can say about that. It's just Golden Gate Bridge. And what I figured, what I've come to figure out is, like, here I am at basically where the Golden Gate Bridge is, and then earlier back at the Presidio, I thought, well, it looks pretty close, but then find out it's actually not that close because the Presidio is way, way, way over there. But I have a problem with distance. I can't quite tell something that's far away. Something that's far away actually looks closer to me. So yeah, but yeah, there's the Golden Gate Bridge. I'll zoom in for you guys. And as you can see over there in Sausalito, California, it's beautiful. Look at the sun. There's no fog whatsoever. So jealous of those people. And there's some more of the beautiful San Francisco Bay. And of course, Alcatraz. And then way over there, you can see the San Francisco city skyline. So, yep. And we'll pat around again. Alcatraz. Sausalito. And back at the Golden Gate Bridge. Hey guys, so we're at dinner now, and we're here at the Pier Market. It's one of the many seafood places, one of the many seafood restaurants here at Pier 39, right here at Fisherman's Wharf. So, yeah.
Sole. Pan-seared with garlic and capered butter sauce.
Since this is our last night, my mother's getting her seafood on. Is that right?
Ooh, they got trout. They got halibut.
Okay, well, she could be forever with the menu, so I'll just pick it up when the food gets here. All right, guys. Okay, my mother is tying the bib around her because look what she's about to dig into, folks. Bam! That is a Dungeness crab.
Okay.
That thing is huge. It's a huge sucker.
Yeah, and I'm gonna eat it too.
Oma has the trout, and I got crab cakes. I gotta watch you dig into this thing.
Really, Fred?
Yes. I've never seen something that huge before.
Didn't we say Dungeness? Didn't I say Dungeness? I thought I said Dungeness. What did you not understand the word Dungeness?
Okay, but you know me. I have to have things repeated 9 million times. Whoa! Look at that. Just look at that. No, don't look at the rings. You can't have those, ladies.
Oh.
Is it good? Okay, well. Oma, is it good? Alright. Dinner time! Hey guys, so it's we're done. Oma and I are done eating dinner, and look what she did to that crab. Remember the crab you saw earlier? This is what's left of this crab. This woman right here, she just completely demolished that crab. Was the crab good? This is what's left of the crab, folks. This is what's left. This is the aftermath of that crab. This woman right here, my mother, devoured that crab. That crab never saw it coming.
It's dead already.
If it was alive, it never saw it coming.